This is Lake George.
Oh my gosh, Mom, if you drop that phone.
Well, I'll get a new one.
In upstate New York, we take the great outdoors seriously. There is so much to do and see across this state, and we're here to take you along for the adventures. Hi folks, welcome back to Adventures in Upstate New York. Today we're in Lake George, and I'm going to take you parasailing. Parasailing in Lake George is available every hour, every day in the summer, especially on holidays.
Everybody's on vacation except for me.
I decided to bring my mom along for the experience because both she and I have never gone parasailing before.
Go on a day with the calm wind. You know, if you see the trees blowing back and forth, it's going to be more like a roller coaster.
A group of 3 kids took to the skies before we did, and they made it look so easy. But nothing could have prepared us for how exciting it was to rise up into the air. And the views up there were stunning.
Oh my God.
Especially the view of Prospect Mountain and other peaks in the distance. We are so high up. We've got our big parachute behind us.
It's really a very nice experience.
And Parasail Joe himself also slowed down to let us briefly dip our feet in the water. I hope we don't fall in.
I am too short.
Well, one of us.
My leg is too short.
Just have fun, enjoy it. You don't have to hold on if you don't want to, so just make sure you can look around, just sit there and relax.
And before we left town, we stopped at the Lobster Pot for dinner. For NYF.com, I'm Katrina Tulloch. We'll see you on our next adventure.